We go to the king of reggae, Bob Marley. Don't worry about a man. Say don't you worry about a man. Let me hear you. I woke up this morning, found your presence in the weather, singing sweet song that I didn't know, singing, this is my message to you. Don't you worry about a thing, party people, let me hear you. Don't you worry, don't worry about a thing. It's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, find your presence in the weather. Beside my doorstep, I got a singing sweet song that I didn't know. The birds singing, this is my message to you. To each and every one of you, don't worry about a thing. All the ladies, let me hear ya. Girl, don't you worry, don't worry about a thing. All the fellas in the room say, everything's gonna be alright. Don't worry, don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing, no. Everything's gonna be alright. So don't worry, don't worry. You know, and I know, you know, it's gonna be alright. All the more Bobby fans, show me your hands, come on. Buffalo soldier, send me Buffalo soldier, stolen from Africa, brought to Jamaica, brought to America. Yeah, everybody's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.